In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mockup in Renderforest. A mockup is a quick, realistic preview of how your design appears on real-world items like devices, packaging, or apparel. And Renderforest makes this process fast and beginner-friendly. Start by logging into your Renderforest account so you land on the main dashboard. From here, look for the option that says Start with a Template. Choosing this route gives you professionally arranged scenes you can customize in minutes rather than building everything from scratch. Next, open the Mockups section. This is where you'll find ready-made scenes for phones, laptops, business cards, posters, t-shirts, product boxes, and more. Take a moment to browse. Use the search bar or category filters if they're visible, and focus on scenes that match your use case, like vertical social posts, website headers, or storefront signage. Check the perspective and background style too. A clean studio background is great for websites, while lifestyle scenes feel more natural on social media or in presentations. When you see a style and design you like, click it to open the preview page, then select Create Now. This loads the template inside the builder where you can make it your own. Inside the builder, you'll customize the mockup. Replace any placeholder image with your design by uploading your file, then drop it into the designated slot. Most scenes let you scale, rotate, or reposition your artwork so it sits neatly within the frame. If your logo has transparency, a high-resolution PNG will usually give the cleanest result. Pay attention to edges, shadows, and reflections. These details sell the realism. Many templates let you adjust background color, toggle shadows, or choose alternate scene variations to better match your brand. If there's text in the scene, you can usually update the copy, switch fonts, and fine-tune alignment for balance and legibility. Use the zoom and preview tools to check that everything looks crisp at typical viewing sizes. If anything seems off, nudge elements slightly, or try a contrasting background so your design stands out. That's all there is to it. You logged in, started with a template, went to Mockups, picked the design that fits your needs, clicked Create Now,